$100 on the account. 10 trades, a brand new challenge session, but today we're looking at the market through a different lens. RSI. This indicator shows the strength of price movement and helps catch moments when the market is ready to turn. Most beginners use RSI like a traffic light: buy below 30, sell above 70, but in reality that's a shortcut to unnecessary losses. Today I will show you how to use RSI the right way, combining it with the key levels, price action, and trade timing. My name is Alexander. I'm a trader with 6 years of experience, and I run this challenge publicly. No demo accounts, no editing tricks. Everything you use here, real trades, real risk, real results. If you want not just watch but learn alongside me, join the Telegram community. Every day I share my RSI, MACD, and other proven setups, stream live trades, break down student mistakes, and show how to build a truly systematic approach. There are already over 100,000 traders inside, sharing results and growing together. The link is waiting for you in the description and in pinned comment. Alright, let's go. 10 new trades, new signals, new lessons. First, I set the time frame to 30 seconds. We need fast signals here, but with clear logic. Chart type, Japanese candles to clearly see price actions. Adding RSI with standard 14 period settings, I set the 30 and 70 levels. But remember, they are not just red lines. There are zones where I look for price action confirmation, marking nearby support and resistance to know where price may stall. Removing all unnecessary chart elements, leaving only what helps analysis. Everything is ready. Now let's find the first trade. Alright, the first trade is Euro and United States dollar. Okay, this pair is approaching support, RSI dropping into oversold zone. I wait for candle close, need a bounce, not just touch. The green candle, confirmation, and I go long, watching if price holds the bounce. RSI gave a great signal, plus reaction of the level, clean entry. USD in Japanese yen is pressing against resistance, RSI near 70, and waiting for weakness here. Red candle forming, that's perfect. Now I go short, watching if price confirms the reversal. Everything aligned. Resistance, RSI at the top, sellers stepped in. The next trade is Great British Pound and United States dollar stuck in a range. RSI near 50, but starting to rise. We waiting for breakout. And there it is. I go long, watching if momentum holds. RSI confirmed the breakout. Price gave the impulse. That's perfect setup. The next trade is Australian dollar and Swiss franc. RSI oversold, but movement is weak. I take a chance on the bounce. Go long. But candle quickly turns red. That's a loss. A RSI zone alone isn't enough. Need price reaction first. Euro and Japanese testing resistance. RSI slightly above 70. Reversal candle forming, and I'll go short. We are waiting for confirmation. And great reversal off the zone. RSI helped catch the moment. United States dollar and Swiss franc is overheated. RSI above 70. Wait for one more candle. Red appears. And I go short. Strong impulse my way. And perfect timing. Waited for confirmation. Price dropped. The next trade is Australian dollar, United States dollar at support. RSI dropping, but candle start bouncing. The green candle, I take the entry, go long, and watching price hold. Okay, clean bounce, RSI plus level worked beautifully. Euro and Great British Pound, RSI slightly under 30, but weak candle. Okay, I take the risk and go long. Price ticks up, then drops. It's too early. RSI is not button. Need price reaction to lesson learned. GBP Japanese Yen at resistance. The next trade, number 9. RSI near 70. Candles losing strength here. And confirmation appears. And I short. This is great trade, level plus RSI signal exactly by the book. And the last trade for today, Australian dollar, and the last trade for today, number 10, United States dollar and Canadian dollar squeezing upward. RSI near 60, momentum building, waiting for breakout, and got it. I go long here, watching price hold above. Perfect session close, clean breakout, RSI confirmed. So that's today's session, guys. We didn't just use RSI as a buy-sell button, we used it as a filter, picking moments where the market was ready to reverse or continue. RSI is not a magic switch, but in skilled hands, it's a powerful tool. Today we proved once again that even with $100 you can trade with discipline and get results. If you want to see these trades live and follow along, join Telegram. I post daily setups, stream live trades, and break the real cases from members. Join us, link in the description and in pinned comment.